Unong alam kaseng Kongres uba Vincent H. Pala hak arpo trik nailur, ula ay kajing kersyan kabapura ya kajing dawa badangsyan jong unong alam kaliang persya, u Dr. Mukul Sangma, na kebenta bentung ya kekenhun tokit halur kajing kenok pendan kabakla, jong ka parti sensyar National People's Party NPP, da kapisa bea na udaw yong badrang. Habakren syakila patai kubor uba Pala ulaong, nga ay kajing kersyan kabapura ya kajing dawa u Dr. Mukul Sangma, na kebenta benpelong ya kajing tokit kababnia. Kani kajing tokit kadai benlong na kebenta kini shipho trikis nam ki baladam. Uni UMP barim kasyolong ula kenok ru da kabaong, syak nganyat hu hapi baka kam syalan do yong bean kelas dang nadu kini shipho nam baladam, bat udrok ru la palat shipho nam. Kum ka nuksa mentala da pikit siar na Guwahati syolong, penhap ban siyo arpo hajar tingkala ni laipo hajar shi pick up. Kini kilami ru haki rinsan social media bat kila patai kubor. Ka jingkit doyong na Giant Hills sa Guwahati, penhap ban siyo haduk kendai pen rio hajar tingka. Ladai ngikit mausyun na Giant Hills sa Guwahati, penhap ban siyo arpo hajar tingka, kini kila pao haki kubor. Lada pikit siap ni kinu gimar, penhap ban siyo bayrung. Kumta kini baru kila sedang naduk kini kishipos nam kipaladam, benrap upala. Lakban kedua ba u Dr. Mukul ubaderu u Menteri Rang Bak Berim, ula berten bentok sya u Menteri Rang Bak Duk Kari, na kebenta bentung da kajing tokit, bat ru ban syimkia ya kajing kenok jong ubak pala persyak ya ke NPP, halur kajing pendan kam da kepisa bean, naiki kam syalan doyong bean, udrok bat naiki kam kontrak, kenang ban tiet eki MLA niki weipat kiseng san pertai.
Let me tell you, the illegal coal starts for the last 10 years. The illegal transportation of coal is for the last 10 years. Drugs, more than 10 years. Anything, for example, today, if you carry chicken from Guwahati to Shillong, you have to pay 20 or 30,000 per pickup. It came in the social media, it came in the news. If you are to carry coal from Giant Hills to Guwahati, you have to pay 96,000. It is there in the social media, it is there in the thing. If you have to carry limestone from Giant Hills to Guwahati, you have to pay 20,000. It's there in it is in record. If you have to carry sand, if you carry anything, you have to make an entry. So everything needs an entry, and this entry starts for the last 10 years. So I fully support Mukul's idea that we should have an investigation, and investigation should be at least for the last 10 years.